I'm just getting ready to tackle my laundry. I don't mind folding my laundry, but y'all, I hate to hang it up. I can fold it, I can put it up in the dresser drawers or on the shelves, but I hate to hang up laundry. And most of my laundry is consisted of my uniforms. You can see my zipper on that pillow slip came a little, so I have to pull out my sewing machine and fix it. So for the time being, you see I just laid it on top of it until I can go and pull out my sewing machine. And people think that just because you don't have kids, that you don't have to do a lot of cleaning. Yes, you still have to do a lot of cleaning. And right now I'm just going over the sofas and cleaning off any debris. And here's the finished product of the living room, a den, a sitting room. And now we're going to move into the kitchen. I'm just trying to get some dishes put up that came out the dishwasher. I will be making a video soon of me reorganizing my kitchen cabinets and my bathroom cabinets. It's well overdue. I need to take out everything and wash them and reorganize the cabinet. And those dishes that you saw on the stove top, they are clean, but I just got them sent over there for them to finish drying. And those containers, I have started doing meal prepping. So if you would like to see some videos of me doing some meal preppings, go ahead and leave a comment down below. I'm using right there is some all-purpose Lysol cleaning spray, the lemon scent. And leave a comment down below. How many of you prefer to use the dishwasher over washing dishes? Me, I prefer to wash dishes than to use the dishwasher, because you have to pre-wash the dishes anyway before you put them in the dishwasher. And plus, it don't take but 5 to 10 minutes and you're done. So I basically use my dishwasher for a drying rack. But every now and then I would run it to clean it. You can't see, but I'm actually taking those dishes that was on the stove and putting them up. You guys, give me a thumbs up if you agree that a woman's job is never done. We constantly having something to do all the time. Why do trash build up so much? And right here you see me doing, I was taught to do this when I mop, is to put flip the chairs upside down on the table, so when you get ready to mop, they won't be in the way and they'll stay up until the floor dry. But what I was saying is, why do trash build up so fast? Judge my kitchen floor. So this is the finished product. I didn't show the mopping because I had to finish cleaning the bathrooms and everything, and then I mopped at the end. Actually, I mopped the next day. And those pans there are my meal prepping once again, and those little white is for meal prepping. And now we're on to the bathroom. This is what I hate to clean. I don't mind the sink, but I hate the toilet the most, and I hate having to bend over to do the bathtub. And I end up cleaning my sink about 3 times. I do it at the beginning, then I come back at the end after I clean everything else and clean it down again, and then I would take some sanitized wipes and then go back over it, because I have to rinse it out, the washcloth, while I'm doing the toilet. So I feel like there's bacteria and I have to go right back behind me and clean it. You won't see any decor in this video because I had took everything down to get ready to decorate for the fall season. And if you want to see how I decorate the bathroom and the rest of my house, I I will leave that link at the end of this video. And as I said before, I don't like to record myself cleaning my bathrooms, because as you can see, my bathroom is small and it's just hard to get a good angle of what I'm doing. So some stuff you'll be able to see and some stuff you won't be able to see. And I'm just using a long handle broom because I don't want to have to bend over too much and too long. And now I'm taking a green scrubber pad and cleaning, and then I'll be going back over it and searching for other spots that didn't come clean. It looked like it was easy to use the brush, but actually it wasn't, because I felt like I couldn't apply pressure to it like I wanted to in certain areas. So now I'm just taking my terry cloth and drying it. And now you're going to be able to really tell how small my bathroom is.
So right now I have a lot of hair on the...
Okay, you guys, this is it. This is the finished product of my bathroom. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that bell so you'll be notified of all my new videos. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.